I have two Goodman Model CKJ36-1AB AC units, one for upstairs, one for down. The upstairs unit runs and blows cold initially but after a short time blows warm. I've shut it off as to not burn up the compressor. I had a technician come out and check it, but he wants $649 to replace the condenser fan motor and can do the work until Thursday. I'm relatively handy, so I thought that I'd look at doing this myself. Been online checking it out and I'm convinced I can do the job myself but have some questions. While inspecting the unit myself, I've noticed that the unit in question is not running consistently. As I've said, it will run and blow cold but only for a short time. What I've noticed is that the airflow coming out of this suspect unit is not consistent, it's fluctuating as if the power is oscillating up and down. After further inspection, I've also observed that the capacitor on this unit is different from that installed on the other unit. This one is an oval dual motor Mars model 12086 and 45 440 VAC, whereas the capacitor on my second unit is a Chinese model dual motor, PRCD 405 45 370 to 400 VAC. Don't know which is correct/preferred rating. I'm prepared to replace both the motor and capacitor of the suspect unit but want to be sure to get the proper replacements, and am concerned that the capacitors on the two units are of different ratings. Which one do I go with, the 370 to 400 or the 440? Additionally, I found what I believe to be the correct replacement motor, but it seems that most all new motors come with a 6 inches shaft, whereas the shaft on my current motor is considerably shorter, roughly 3 inches. Any problem with my cutting the shaft on the new replacement motor? FYI, the motor is a vertical install, shaft/fan down, below the motor. The current motors are both GE 5KCP39 EGR 808 as 1/4 horsepower, 1/2 inch shaft, 1075 RPM, 1.5A, 60 Hz, V208230. Cap listed as 5.00370. I found replacement parts via the Grainger website but want to make sure to get the right ones. Replacement motor, General Electric 5KCP39 FGM 599S, 1/4 horsepower, 1/2 inch shaft, 1075 RPM, 1.6 to 1.8, 60 Hz, V208230. Replacement capacitor, 2 Maya 5, dual run motor capacitor 45 MFD, 440 VAC, oval or 2 MDY1, dual run motor capacitor 45 MFD, 370 VAC, oval.
Hello and thank you for using this service. I would get this capacitor as it is a dual voltage one. You can increase a 370 to a 440, but do not go the other way. So if you have to get a fixed one, get a 440. Click here. Now you can cut the shaft down, as that will not be an issue and the replacement motor you found is fine. You should be good to go. Any other questions, let me know. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.